Ayan, another day, another travel. So, hulaan nyo saan tayo pupunta, guys. Hulaan nyo. Charis lang. Kung nakita nyo sa title ng video na to, pupunta tayo sa Bicol. Nag-message kasi yung pinsan ko sa akin. Sabi niya, available daw ba ako ng gantong day. Pupunta daw kami sa Albay, Sorsogon, and Camps. So, sobrang excited ako na kapag-explore sa ibang lugar ng Philippines. So, actually guys, this will be my practice vlog. So, kung mapapansin niyo sa mga susunod na clip ay medyo nangangapa pa tayo. So guys, please bear with me po. Okay. Anyway, pero kung naghahanap kayo ng idea para sa itinerary nyo sa Bicol, ipo-flash ko na lang sa screen yung package ng itinerary na below. Post nyo na lang yung video guys para mas mabasa nyo lahat. Tapos, to go around different places, nag-rent na lang ng van kasi medyo malayo sila sa pinag-stayan namin. So, ipo-flash ko na lang din dito sa screen yung contacts nila. Now, I am in Naiya Terminal 2 and it's my first time flying alone. It's literal na papunta lang. So, on the way here, hinatid ako ni Papa. I'm actually earlier than others, yung mga kasama ko. Later pa yung flight nila kasi late na book yung ticket ko. I will introduce them to you later. Di pa ako sanay guys tumingin sa camera. Napapatingin ako sa sarili ko pero dapat dito. Practice lang. Kasi first time natin, itatry itong camera na to actually vlog. I hope maging maganda yung kalabasan ng vlog na to kasi I'm actually nervous right now. I just asked yung mga assistant kung anong gate ako. Turns out wala nga siya sa monitor so I just asked and then sabi nila sa gate 12 daw ako. I'm so happy kasi so far nakaka-survive tayo dito. Kahit mag-isa lang tayo and it's actually a milestone for me doing this. So wala pa akong energy guys but I'm trying my best. We are now inside the plane and I can't believe I did it. So hihintayin ko na lang guys yung mga kasama ko sa Bicol. Simula bata pa lang talaga ako. Takot talaga ako sa aeroplano, lalo na sa tunog ng aeroplano. To the point na nagigising ako pag may dumadaan na aeroplano sa taas na bahay. Check ko lang, pinakonquer ko talaga yung fear ko. So, see you guys at Bicol. Guys, we are now in Bicol. A little short story lang habang nag-iintay sa mga kasama ko. I also uploaded my first travel vlog which is in Singapore but it was only just a silent vlog. So this time, I'm trying to put a new system na. The reason for this is so that I can express what I've learned and maybe it can help other people. To be honest, I am still not sure if this journey is really for me but it's been going on in my mind. I am trying to do it even though it's so unreal for me na I'm already starting it now. I have watched a recent interview of Ali Abdaal. If you're familiar with him, you can check out his YouTube channel. He helps a lot of beginners. Ako yung isa sa natulungan niya. Title is How to Grow a YouTube Channel from Nothing in 2024. Which she said, all the fear is in my head and no one is really going to care. I also want to challenge myself and doing this vlogging as part of my life and let's see where it takes me. Kung hindi naman mag-work yung plan or this is really not for you after matry nyo na yung gusto nyo, matagal nyo nang gustong gawin, wala namang mawawala. At least natry mo, nasubukan mo kung para sa sa'yo. For this year of 2024, sa first 6 months from January to June, I am actually trying to take more risk in my life just those 6 months. So kung hindi man gumana yung plano ko in the first 6 months, it's just 6 months of my life. Ayun, hintayin ko na lang yung mga kasama ko dito and saka tayo magpo-proceed sa travel vlog. So, I am currently reading this book called Talk Like Ted by Carmen Gal. This book actually helped how I express myself more and how to deliver like presentations, talks. If hindi nyo pa ito nababasa, guys, maganda. Hi guys, we are now in our villa and this will be our room. So this will be my bed up here. Then I will be sharing our room with Glenn. Right now, we are going to have our lunch. So I am going to introduce to you who I am with in this trip. First, I am with my cousin, Ate Jam. Hi!
How you going?
Hi, my other cousin. Hi! Ate Javis boyfriend. Kuya Man, this is my tita.
Hi.
Husband of Tita Bert, Tita Jo. And this is Glenn, the mother of Ate Jam's boyfriend. She's an Australian. This is Kuya Nate. So, yun guys. Sila yung magiging kasama ko this trip. So, this is the next day. It's a quick update about what happened after we had lunch. Nag-swimming lang kami. Just had some shots. After that, we went to this place called Bestie around the area. And also, before we eat dinner, so street food, meron sila. So right now, yung just hammer. Napansin ko nga rin kanina. Ay, nga ulan na. We are now in our first itinerary, which is the ATV, so I'm really excited to try it out. I think we're going to we're in Lava Drop. That's a 2-hour ride, but they said that it will depend pa sa speed daw ng driving namin. Excited ba kayo guys?
Super excited. Second time ko na mag-ATV.
Oo, ako first time ko lang. Yes, first timer! We're going back.
Handshake! Handshake! Shake your hand!
We just finished our tour. Kung lang kung gaano kami katagal naman, pero hours daw eh. As of now, like, medyo nasanay na ako mag-talk sa camera, even though I'm around other people. So yeah, that's an improvement for me. So they're just taking photos while waiting for our food. Magla-lunch na rin kami dito and proceed to our other itineraries. So if I'm not mistaken, yan na lang at saka yung facade yung natira after the volcanic eruption of Damayon. But after lang years, ito na lang yung natira, yung belfry. Collapse na yung facade niya, so yung bell tower na lang yung natira. So this is actually one of the most popular tourist spots here in Bicol because yung Mayon nasa likod lang yan. But right now, hindi because natatakpan siya ng ulam. We're going to try the Bicol Express here. See, that's my sili and guys, may buto.
Yung noodles.
War na po siya. Ice cream.
Ay, lang!
Di ba yan?
Nandito ako sa van na yun. Nauna lang ako kasi nainitan ako sa labas. Hinihintay na lang silang bumili ng mga souvenirs. Sa side dyan. So we are now in Sumlang Lake. Oh, we're just gonna chill here for an hour. Show you around, guys. Kayo po yung nagawa ng... ano pong name? Hello po. Ito yung pinakaunang ginagawa.
Street. Ito muna, alisin po dito sa putulin. And then, hiwalayin po yan. Tapos, diretso po sa streeting machine. Dito na pong lalakas. Dito na, carpet na. Outer part na kapag. Ay, inner part.
Iniikot. Tapos,
Isang ikot lang. Ganyan.
okay. Thank you, ate. So, dito, iba naman daw yung nagawa.
Ano yan? Hindi mo dala kakapon.
Hi guys! So it's now our third day here in Bicol and we are now in Giant Crab Landmark. Okay, just arrived at Momo's Bakery and Mabutukay. Having lunch at Sagurong Restaurant near Sobrang Lake. So, let's check out their food here. Gusto ko actually matry yung pinangat na.
How are you today?
They said they're fine.
Oh, good.
Oh, good.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Right now, we are going to Bulusan Lake. Tito's vlogging too. Famous siya sa Little Switzerland. Oo po. Little Little Switzerland.
Hear the crickets?
Oh.
Hear the crickets? You can even hear from the lecture.
Hindi po silang sisilabasan.
Ay, mga ahas.
Ako.
Ah, may ahas.
Paramihan dito ng mga isda, mga tilapia, mga karpa, gurano, may mga igat din dyan, may mga hipon, mga crabs. So napakarami dyan ng mga isda. So araw-araw dito marami ang mga namimingwit.
Gaano po kalaki ulit yung area?
Yung area po ng Bulusan Volcano Natural Park, ma'am, is nasa 3,672 hectares.
Oh, ang laki.
Sa probinsya Consorcio ko.
Ano po ulit pangalan niyo, kuya?
Kuya Cesar po. Cesar.
Kuya Cesar.
Celso, Wasi and
Cesar and Siso.
Oh my God.
Ah,
70
Natumbas
feet.
ng 8 palapag na building.
8 floors.
Tayo ngayon sa lake, nasa 335 meters above sea level tayo. Lihira ang lake na nasa tuktok ng bundok. Actually, mayroon pang 2 lake sa taas. Ang area natin ng lake natin dito ay nasa 16.43 hectares. Isla rito, karamihan po tilapia. Organic siya.
Wow,
No feeding. Feeding is not allowed here. Kasi yung mga local fishermen dito, yun ang panghuli nila. Nakadun ano, tubig, karamihan po balikit tree. May dito na balikit tree, more than 100 species. We call that 13-finger balikit tree.
Oh, parang pa-flower yung bunga niya.
That one, the sack. So, yung tubig natin, pag sinalok mo, clear yan. According to the UP researcher, our water here in Bulusan is a class 3 water. Yung mga locals dito umiinom sa gitna. Kasi yung, yung lake, not stagnant. So, here we are.
Under the tree.
Mas presko dito. Ito yung pinaka-source ng nawasan ng Bulusan. Kaya dito sa amin, mura ang tubig. 25 pesos
Oh my
lang.
God.
100 cubic meters. Mubura ka, additional sa meter. Makikita natin yung moving crocodile.
Oh, God.
Oh, that looks like a...
Ang galing ah.
That is made by nature. Yung humuhuni, mga kuliglig pulot. May mga ibon dito kagaya ng hornbill, yung tariktik,
Hornbill,
yung
wow.
serpent, yung eagle dito, mga family lang, maliliit.
What?
Avatar.
Looks like avatar.
Ang ganda ng
So
puno.
beautiful. Like an umbrella, parang nakabukas yan na pipe. Diyan po nanggagaling yung mga tubig na pumupunta dito sa lake, in the avatar area. So here we are, the flower, we have here the Philippine jade vine. Only here in the Philippines.
Philippine grapevine.
Philippine jade vine flower.
Oh, yung blue.
Just like heart. Heart Evangelista. If you reverse this, you can form a butterfly.
Oh, cool.
Ayan.
Thank you po.
Endemic yan sa Pilipinas.
It's an endemic.
Good morning. So today is May 2 at 7:19 AM. Ang destination natin ngayon ay sa Kamsur. Napier like
This is
like
napier.
this. Napier. Like this.
No.
Ah.
Napier. Not here.
Kala ko appear. Napier grass daw guys yung pinapakain namin sa kanila.
Oh wow, it's so. Careful, don't breathe that in, please.
Ang soft niya guys. Parang silk. Here are the adventure trail, there's fun trail, snake trail, and bulu trail. Other activities, stand-up paddle, single kayak, and double kayak. The cable rates, the rate, equipment rental, swimming pool, massage rate, and wakeboarding membership fee. Andito tayo ngayon sa CWC Sports Complex sa Kamsur. So time check, it's already 4:38. Now we're gonna try out the wakeboarding. Meron daw silang beginner part kasi yung dito sa advance, mas mabilis na daw yung hila. So tuturuan muna nila tayo kung paano mag-wakeboard. Yung mga iba kong kasama, nag-ATV sila. First time kong try na mag-wakeboarding. Kaya yun yung napili ko kasi nung second day namin nakapag-ATV na kami. So I want to try something else din. At first gusto ko lang mag-massage sa room para kahit paano makapag-relax muna, ganun, since it's a vacation. Pero I can have massage anywhere naman. So eto kasi dito lang. Ayun, ito yung try natin. Sana matuto ko. Guys, so ngayon nakapagpalit na tayo ng damit. And let's go!
2, 3. Upo ka lang sa board. Upo lang. Sa usap. Huwag magalaw. Huwag magalaw. Up.
Makakatapos ko lang mag-wakeboarding. And then, sobrang worth it, guys. Sobrang buti na lang pinas ko yung massage na gusto ko noong una. And ito yung tinry ko kasi first time ko lang siyang nagawa. Tapos, I am so happy kasi natutuwa ko mag-try. Doon lang ako sa beginner part. Pero at least, ayan sila yung mga kasama ko. Ayan sila yung... Meron na kasi ako, guys, na isang group na nakasama dun sa area na yun. Tapos, nung nalobat yung cellphone ko, sila na lang yung nag-video sa akin. Noon na nagpapa-video sa kanila do. Pinapalad ko talaga yung mukha ko para magkaroon ako ng mga shots and video. Tapos, ayun, isasend namin daw nila sa akin sa messenger. Ibang tries yung last 2 parts or 3. Tapos I'm so happy kasi tapos na yung 1 hour. Tapos, pinatry pa ako nung kuya nagtuturo sa amin, which is pangalan niya si Kuya Will. Siya yung nagturo sa amin. Kuya Will! Binigyan niya pa ako ng isa pang chance kasi gusto niya talagang matuto ako na magpabalikan. Tapos yung last na yun, doon ko pa siya nagawa. Like, ang galing. Buti na lang mabait sila. Pinatry nila ako ng isa pang beses. Tapos yun. We're just going to have a night dinner. Hindi siya naka-face focus. Mag-ayos na kami. Tapos, let's go na. Isa-skip na daw namin yung iba naming itinerary. Mag-focus ka, girl. Ayan. Kasi ito yung nag-take ng masyadong time sa day namin. Anyway, that's all. Bye. Time check is it's 7:13 a.m. and yung flight namin ay 8:50 a.m. So, I saw this tip here sa book na binabasa ko. Malaman kung okay ba yung way ng pagsasalita mo or pag-deliver ng gusto mong sabihin is to practice in front of people, record it, and watch it back. So, sabi dito, video camera is the single best tool to improve your public speech. So, just like what I'm doing now, I am trying to practice by using a camera, see myself, kung saan pa ako pwede ma-improve. I'll notice that kapag nag-edit na ako. Kasi hindi ko nag-playback yung mga pinibidyohan ko. I-playback ko lahat yung mga video and I will analyze kung saan area dapat ako mag-improve pa and so that I can give a more good quality videos in the future.